All right, so I'm going to be running a live ad here. All right, so you go to your profile and click on the three dotted line in the top right corner. So you can see that place marked with red. Click on TikTok Studio. It will take you to your TikTok Studio. All right, so you scroll down. You see this promote button there. You hit on the promote button. Not all accounts have this promote button yet. Okay, so you click on the promote button. If you want to, how I got this is I created two different accounts, two new accounts, and one of them had this promote button. So you can do that by creating more than one account. Okay, you can see you have your boost posts, you have your get sales, and get leads. All right, so the get leads is for affiliate marketers. Get sales is when you are selling something directly. So that get sales now will need you to put a website link. All right, so you also pick whether you want your video to go viral, or you want more followers, or you want more profile views. That means you have set up your profile in a way that people click on it. All right, this is your select your account, your content. You can see it's always there once you have content. So if you click on it, it will take you to all the videos that you have, so you can select the one you want. All right, so I click on it now. As you can see, I only have two videos in this account. It's a new account, like I said. So I'm promoting this other one. So if you want to have that promote on your account, create a new account. For the now, some account don't have it. Okay, for the now, some account don't have it. Before you create three accounts, you will see it there. But all international accounts have it. So I will also post video on how to create international account, but you can't target Nigerians from international accounts. So you need to create a new account. All right, so I want to check about get sales, because this is what I want to do, because I want to make sales. All right, so I click on it. As you can see, there's a place where I will put my URL there. So that's where my landing page will be. So you can see that's the link to my website there. You can see they have a call to action button like learn more, shop now, sign up, contact us, just like Facebook. All right, just like Facebook. The same thing with Facebook. Apply now, buy now. You can even go to see more and see all that donate. You understand? So you can easily create an ad and ask people to donate to your project. People that are interested will donate. You put your landing page there. Understand? They will go to your landing page and see what you are doing, and they will donate. There are a lot of things you can do with this TikTok ad. All right. So I'm just going to post any link there. This is a WhatsApp link. I'm not supposed to post WhatsApp link here. All right. They will accept the ad, but it's not going to work. All right. So I'm supposed to post a landing page, but this get sales. So landing page is supposed to be there. So if you put your landing page link, as at the time of creating this video, I've not created my landing page. So I have another video on how to create landing page. So I just put WhatsApp link there for test purpose. All right. So here's my audience. All right. So I need more mature people. So the age range is from 25 to 45 years. All right. So in the interest, this ad that I'm test running is actually about how to run a TikTok ad. So people that will be interested in this products. Sorry for the noise in the background. You know, we have a poultry farm close here. So I'm going to pick education. I need to pick interests, people that are interested in things that are tech survey, people that are tech survey, right? The interest of people, you know, that may be likely tech survey, because what I'm doing is TikTok ad, beauty and personal care, people that want to sell their products, that want to run ads. So that's, I'm looking for people like that. So I'm going to pick business service, live service, people that are offering services, e-commerce, food and beverages. All right, so I have to remove that entertainment. It was a mistake. So that news and entertainment, those are just want to have fun. They might not be into business or stuff. So running ad to those people will be a waste of time. Household products, because you have to do with products. All right, so I think we just hit on save. So I cross check again. All right, so now you can see my custom audience. All right, so you can see your daily budget. My daily budget, I reduced it to the minimum is now 19 naira. So that's what I want to pay for a day. The duration also just for a day, because I was doing this my first ad. I was test running it. All right, so I was doing test run. So it's just for a day. So once you hit on pay now, there's no more other thing that you can do except you want to preview. So you hit on pay now. All right, you can see that my coin is what I'm using to pay. That coin is converted to 999 naira now. I hit on start, it will automatically pay. You can see it says success. All right, so I have another video on how to connect, how to buy coin. I still have another video on how to connect your Google Pay, because Google Pay used to, fund your wallet. All right, you can say thank you for your submission. So it's Google Pay that used to fund your wallet, your TikTok wallet. I also have a video on how to create that. So you watch those videos and know how to fund your wallet. I also have another video on how to, you know, um, how to create your Google Pay account that you use in making payments in Naira. As you can see, I'm dealing with Naira here. So this is